Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com dashboards for reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Monday.com dashboards for reporting, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace by selecting it from the sidebar. Look for the Dashboard section in the left-hand menu and click on it. At the top right corner of the dashboard page, click on the plus Add Dashboard button. A prompt will appear asking you to name your new dashboard. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the data you want to report on. After naming your dashboard, click Create Dashboard to proceed. Now that your dashboard is created, you will be directed to the Dashboard Editing view. Here, you can add various widgets to display your data. Click on the plus Add Widget button to see a list of available widgets. Choose the type of widget you want to add, such as charts, numbers, or tables. Once you select a widget, you will be prompted to configure its settings. Customize the widget settings according to your reporting needs. This may include selecting the data source, adjusting filters, or choosing visualization types. After configuring the widget, click Add Widget to place it on your dashboard. You can reposition widgets by clicking and dragging them to your desired location. To resize any widget, hover over the edges and adjust accordingly. If you need to edit a widget later, simply click on it and select the Edit option. To remove a widget, click on the settings icon on the widget's corner and choose Remove. Continue adding and arranging widgets until your dashboard. You can also explore additional settings, such as sharing options and permissions for team members. Once satisfied with your dashboard layout, click the Save button to secure your changes. To view your dashboard in action, click on the View Dashboard option. This allows you to see how your data visualizations will look to other users. If adjustments are needed, return to the Editing view and make the necessary changes. Finally, review your dashboard to ensure it accurately represents the data you wish to report on. Your Monday.com dashboard is now fully set up for reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.